Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to put your public profile on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon at the top left, then access settings to check eligibility, and follow the prompts to create a public profile step by step, while I guide you through name, bio, and privacy choices for the best visibility and control. Start by opening your profile and tapping the Public Profiles option, then select Create and follow the on-screen prompts to add a display name and bio. Choose a profile photo, pick featured stories or spotlight content, and review your privacy settings. Make sure to preview how your profile appears to others and finalize the setup when you are happy with your visibility and content choices. Keep your public profile polished by using a clear photo and a short bio that states what viewers can expect. Frequently check your privacy preferences to limit location, sharing, and control who can message you, which keeps interactions safer. Update featured stories and pinned content to showcase your best work and maintain audience interest, and consider linking other platforms if you want wider reach.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.